We're going to see what my cat's been doing in his new fort that I made. Hey, kitty, stay in here, okay? Gotta set up a camera. Here we go.
Because there's a high school rule that says that, because sometimes kids get really good, right? And then high schools recruit them out. And so then they put all the best players together on one team. So there's a high school rule.
You okay now?
You can't transfer high school.
Do you like it in there?
Do you
like it in there? Oh, he does.
360 days, you play for another high school, they have to release you. Which Carroll does not release you unless you physically move out of the district. And then you can move into a new district and you can play.
That's your baby. You add some more things to this fort.
No, this, like, we moved out.
Oh, you're too cute.
Where, say,
Oh.
where Kiara lives. Yeah, once you move over there, then you can go to any school you want. You can go to Blackhawk Christian. We can go anywhere. I know, she still does. Not over yet. Every time she sees you, she's not allowed to talk to you about it though.
Blackhawk Christian. Just walk up to you.
Oh, you're so cute. He's so cute.
She says,
Are you
"It was
cute?
so much fun going to win the state
Isn't he cute?
in the basketball team.
He's so cute.
The players were
Are you my baby? Oh, you like licking me? You need to take a bath. Oh, jeez.
Hey guys, you can have my last piece of mango.
I need to end this video. Bye. The bad kid.